breakfast doesn't have to be expensive to be good. These 10 egg and veggie combos are all under $3 per serving and budget-friendly. Subscribe for more budget-friendly food ideas you'll actually want to eat. Let's get into it. Number 1. Spinach and tomato omelet. 2 fluffy eggs folded over tender spinach and fresh tomato. Light, colorful, and packed with flavor for under $2. Number 2. Egg and veggie fried rice. Golden fried rice tossed with soft scrambled eggs and a mix of colorful vegetables. A full plate for just over $1. Number 3. Zucchini and cheese scramble. Soft scrambled eggs with fresh zucchini and creamy melted cheese. Simple, filling, and fresh tasting. Number 4. Egg muffins with bell peppers. Mini baked omelets filled with sweet bell peppers and gooey cheese. Perfect for quick grab-and-go mornings. Number 5. Vegetable frittata. A golden oven-baked frittata loaded with seasonal vegetables and a touch of milk for extra fluffiness. Number 6. Eggplant and egg stir-fry. Tender slices of eggplant stir-fried with egg, garlic, and soy sauce for a rich, comforting breakfast. Number 7. Sweet potato and egg hash. Crispy diced sweet potatoes topped with sunny-side eggs. Warm, hearty, and naturally sweet. Number 8. Kangkong and garlic eggs. Fresh local kangkong sautéed in garlic, then topped with eggs for a quick, budget-friendly breakfast. Number 9. Broccoli and cheddar omelet. Fluffy omelet stuffed with bright green broccoli and sharp cheddar cheese for a creamy, savory bite. Number 10. Egg and cabbage stir-fry. Shredded cabbage stir-fried with garlic and eggs. Simple, light, and ready in minutes. With eggs and veggies, you can eat healthy, tasty breakfasts without overspending. Which one will you try first? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.